So here is where we have our stackable laundry area. It's a stackable washer and dryer. This actually came direct from the factory. Behind this is a main house shutoff for the house and the gray water supply for it. Continuing on a little bit, let's look at how we access both the crawl space and the attic. So the crawl space down there is on a 4-foot crawl space. It's got R21 insulation. It's vapor barriered, and it's a 4-foot crawl space so that all crews can work under there, and really provides a lot of storage for the owner when we're done. Again, this home had to be fire sprinklered, so you will see a big tank down there. That's the holding tank for the fire sprinkler. All of your main utilities come into the crawl space, and then they're made connected to the home itself.